Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. I am so thrilled to have you here today. Look, we are taking a fresh, totally data-driven look at one of the most talked about, photographed, and obsessed over foods on the entire planet, the avocado. We're cutting straight past the hype to look at its incredible nutritional profile and the very real physiological benefits it actually offers your body. So you've got to wonder, why are we all so obsessed with avocados? Is it just a trendy brunch thing? Or is there a genuine biological drive behind our craving for this little green fruit? Well, today we're dismantling the dietary myths and letting the source data answer that exact question. By the end of this, you'll know exactly why this ingredient has absolutely earned its superfood status. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today's explainer. We're going to start with the anatomy of an avocado, then unpacking the nutrition, followed by full-body health benefits. After that, we'll look at simple uses, and finally, the daily golden rule. All right, Section 1, Anatomy of an Avocado, a macro view. It really is so much more than just a trendy topping. When we look at the baseline data, we land on a very important number, 160. That's the calorie count, roughly 160 kilocalories per 100 grams of avocado. Now, I know some folks see a high number and panic. Actually, scratch that. A lot of people panic. But we really need to reframe this. This density is a massive positive. These aren't empty calories, They're a highly efficient, premium source of essential fuel. Moving right along to Section 2, unpacking the nutrition. What's inside? Now, what's really interesting about this is where those 160 calories are actually coming from. Breaking down the macros per 100 grams, you're getting 15 grams of fat, 9 grams of carbohydrates, and 2 grams of protein. Notice the high-fat, low-protein reality we've got going on here. Those 15 grams of fat represent the vast majority of the calorie load. But, and this is absolutely crucial, these are beneficial monounsaturated fats that your body desperately needs to function efficiently. But wait, zoom in on those 9 grams of carbohydrates for a second. Out of those 9 grams, a massive 7 grams is purely dietary fiber. No way, right? That leaves an incredibly low amount of net carbs. Because it's practically devoid of standard carbs and just exceptionally high in fiber, the avocado acts like a secret weapon for anyone looking to manage their blood sugar levels. And honestly, the numbers just keep getting better. A 100-gram serving packs a whopping 485 milligrams of potassium. To put that in perspective, that's huge. Along with magnesium and a whole host of other minerals, this high potassium level is a critical component of the fruit's chemistry, and it has a massive impact on your cardiovascular system. Which brings us to Section 3, full body health benefits, going from head to toe. Let's take those numbers and map them directly onto your physiology. Think of this like a rapid head-to-toe body scan. Starting at the very top with our brains, the combination of folate and healthy fats directly supports cognitive health. Moving down to the eyes, powerful antioxidants like lutein help protect against age-related vision problems. On our exterior, rich vitamin E nourishes the skin and hair, and systemically, you're getting a robust dose of vitamins K, B6, and C. It's literally a multivitamin in fruit form. And we've got to talk about heart health. Those monounsaturated fats we identified earlier, they work a kind of cardiovascular magic. They can actually help produce the bad LDL cholesterol while simultaneously supporting your good HDL cholesterol levels. Plus, remember that massive 485 milligrams of potassium? That directly helps maintain healthy blood pressure. Your heart is being supported from multiple angles here. Moving further down the body, let's talk digestion. We've got to connect back to that incredible 7-gram dietary fiber count we saw earlier. That high fiber promotes really smooth digestion, helps prevent constipation, and crucially, it fosters a healthy internal gut microbiome. Your gut is the engine of your body, and fiber is the premium fuel needed to keep that entire environment running smoothly. And this brilliantly illustrates the combined effect of these nutrients for weight management. When you combine healthy fats with high fiber, the result is increased satiety. Basically, it keeps you feeling fuller for much longer, which naturally cuts down on unnecessary snacking. It's a beautifully simple biological equation where nutrient density directly aids in maintaining a balanced weight and controlling your blood sugar. All right, Section 4, delicious and simple uses, the practical application. Because honestly, unlocking all this biological science doesn't require a laboratory. It just takes a little culinary creativity on your kitchen counter. Adding this into your daily routine is incredibly fast. You can spread it on toast. Yes, the classic avocado toast really is that good for you. Chop it into salads, Blend it right into your morning smoothies for extra creaminess, use it as a healthy spread in wraps, mash it into some fresh guacamole, or just fold it into your morning omelet. There's virtually no meal where you can't easily sneak these benefits in. And finally, Section 5, the daily golden rule, portion control. Look, we established right out of the gate that this is a calorie-dense food. Because of that density, we need a practical takeaway to ensure we get all those amazing benefits without totally overdoing the energy intake. And here is that bold rule of thumb, derived straight from the source data. Half an avocado per day. That's the sweet spot. It's the optimal amount for most people as part of a balanced diet. Sticking to this half avocado rule secures the healthy fats, the massive fiber, and the vitamins, all while perfectly managing your daily calories. Which leaves us with just one final thought to ponder. Knowing the profound impact this superfood has on your heart, your digestion, your eyes, and your brain, how are you going to incorporate your daily half avocado? Will you blend it, mash it, or slice it? Take this nutritional roadmap we've explored today and apply it to your life, starting with your very next meal. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep learning, stay focused, and I'll catch you next time.